Hello, friends. It's Easter week, and our bunnies have eaten some very interesting objects. Let's take a look. This bunny ate an ant. Ant. This bunny ate what? What is that? A ball. That's silly. This bunny ate a cat. And this bunny over here ate a dog. Oh no! I wonder what letter each of our objects that our bunny ate start with. Let's see. Right here we have ant. Let's look at these letters over here. We have 4 lowercase letters. We have a lowercase a, which makes the sound. We have a lowercase k, which makes the k sound. We have a lowercase z, which makes the z sound, and a lowercase w, which makes the w sound. Which of these letters sounds like for ant? Does for ant sound like a, or k, or z, or w? That's right. It's the letter A. Lowercase a makes the sound, as in for ant. How about our ball over here? Does ball sound like X? A for D for, actually that's B. B, or E, which is ball. Does it make X, B, or E? That's right. It's a B for ball. Then we have our cat down here. Cat. Does cat sound like m, or c, or x, or b? Cat sounds like c. Very good. And here's our last one. We have our dog. Does dog sound like c, y, y, n, n, or d? Let's listen again. Dog, c, y, y, n, n, or d? D is for dog. Very good, friends. Have a great day and work on those lowercase letters and the sounds that they make.